Good afternoon and welcome to today's video. Now in today's video we'll be taking a look at two stocks, and the first one is HDFC Bank and the second one will be HDFC Life. The reason I've chosen to look at both these stocks is I believe that interesting paths, and it will be interesting to see how they trade in the coming sessions, as that will tell a lot about the future of both equities in the coming weeks even. Now the first one I'm covering is HDFC Bank. Now I'll be covering the non-F&O version, the equity version. I've done so as I believe it is right now at a more important juncture for equity investors rather than F&O investors. However, before I go further, do hit the subscribe button so you can be receiving further updates. Now when we look at HDFC Bank's daily chart, the bank has done rather well this week when compared to its performance in the past couple of weeks and months. I said it's been in a bearish route. However, this week, when the whole market was very weak, it ended up showing a bit more strength than a lot of the major other Nifty 50 stocks. Now, I believe this is simply a dead cat bounce that is occurring, and even if you were to have an up move from here, it will not be long lasting, as the bigger picture will have HDFC Bank only going downwards. Now, how I'm looking at it is if HDFC Bank has to break either side of this range for us to get a clean move. Now, if it manages to break the simple resistance at 1553 basically, then I do not expect much of a move above 1580. It will basically hit towards 1580 and then resume its downward journey. This is how I see it playing out. Unless it were to take out 1580 in the longer time frame, like daily and weekly, the HDFC Bank is not going to be going anywhere on the upside. Hence, any up move in this is going to be most likely a trap. On the other hand, if we manage to break the simple support at 1529, then HDFC Bank will start making its journey towards its final target of 1470. This is as of now, I believe HDFC Bank is in a bearish route, and any up move is going to be fake, and whatever happens, we are going to be going and testing 1470 in the coming weeks, whether people like it or not. Now the next one is HDFC Life. Now HDFC Life also was quite positive for a bearish week. I say that as if we look at on Friday it formed a neutral candle. However, it failed to wipe out the bearishness that had ensued in the earlier part of the week. This is as if this candle had a large body, then it would have been significant, but as of now it's simply a neutral candle. So how I see HDFC Life trading is, if it manages to break the support at 612.90, then we are going to the supports at 602 and 595. However, if it tries to go up, I do not see it having any significant up move until it breaks the resistance between 637 and 645. This zone will hold it back, and any up move towards this zone will be more beneficial to day traders rather than positional traders. This is as it will give good day trading moves to the upside, but then they'll end up just getting killed. So until it breaks these two quant resistance levels, I do not expect anything significant from HDFC Life in the coming weeks. However, if it manages to take out those two quant resistance levels, then we can expect a very strong upswing to come in the stock. On the other hand, if it breaks a simple support, then 595 and 602 are the next targets. I am counting more to the downside in the positional view, and in the intraday view, we will, because of the neutrality of this candle, we will try to go a bit up and then come back down. So that's how I see both stocks. I believe both stocks are charting different paths. HDFC Bank is more bearish. HDFC Life in the weekly format, in the long-term format, can go both directions. But HDFC Bank, any up move, I would advise not to consider as an equity buy, because sooner or later it's going to go down towards the 1470 support which I had highlighted. So thank you for watching, and if you liked the video, then hit the like button and also subscribe to the channel.